The message key will be lit when there are new voicemail messages in your mailbox. Press the message button to access your mailbox and follow the prompts to enter your password. When the main voicemail menu begins to play, press 1 to listen to the first new message. Use star to back up and pound to fast forward your message in 5-second intervals. For example, if the caller offers a phone number too quickly, press the star key twice to back up 10 seconds and repeat that section of the message. After the message plays, you may select from the following options. Press 5 to repeat the message. Press 6 to play the next message. Press 7 to delete the current message. Press 8 to forward a copy of that message to another mailbox. Press 9 to save the current message. For advanced options, press 3 and follow the prompts. Please note, the soft keys will display many of the voicemail features as you navigate through your mailbox. Press pound or hang up when you are done retrieving messages. To access your mailbox from another phone, press the star key and then enter your mailbox number.